Hey, what's up guys? It's Rob from Paragon. Today I've got a super easy install for you guys that is going to dramatically change the back of how your C8 Corvette looks. And I'm talking the Paragon Performance tail light overlays. So let's get into it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the tail light overlays on your C8 Corvette, whether that be a Stingray or a Z06 like the one we have here today. As you can see, I've got both sets in my hands today. We've got the smoked vinyl and the dark vinyl. We're going to install one on one side and one on the other. That way you can kind of see and pick out which one's going to work best for you. So for the first step, we're going to need a clean towel and a cleaner of your choice. Now, you're going to spray down the area that you're going to be applying the vinyl to and wipe it down, ensuring it's clean and dry. So let's do that. Now that we've got the taillights cleaned, it is time to install them. First, we are going to locate where each one goes. The bigger one is going to go on the outside. The smaller one is going to go on the inside. So we will now peel our reflector off, just like so, and simply stick it on. And just like that, we have our first overlay installed. And boom, we've got the top two installed. Now that we've got this side completely installed and finished up, we're gonna repeat the same process over on the other side. However, we're doing it with the dark tint now, so that way you can kind of compare and see and pick which one suits you best. And there you guys have it. Super easy install, like I said. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply spray and clean, peel and stick, and enjoy the new look of the back of your C8 Corvette. So if you're looking for a great way to modify your C8 Corvette in less than 5 minutes without breaking the bank, I'd recommend checking out our Paragon Performance tail light overlays. As always, the products you saw in this video are going to be linked in the description down below. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell notification button so you never miss another upload from us here at Paragon Performance again. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I will see you guys in the next video.